Alright, this week I'm going to be putting two food experiment items in the urban worm bag with the blue worms. This is leftover turkey from Thanksgiving. This is, what is that? Obviously you can see it's been sitting on my counter just growing mold. Oh, that's fat from, I think it's from pork. So, yeah, fat from pork. So, we'll see how they do. It's going to be topped with moist bedding. I'm going to be putting them in these containers, which I don't think it says how big they are, but they're either maybe a cup full of stuff. Okay, I'll be back after I put them in the containers. The whole purpose of this food experiment is to see if the worms will eat it, specifically the blue worms. My theory is yes, they will. Anything that can grow mold on it will be edible by the worms. So that's my theory. How long it takes, you know, it all depends how large the pieces are or stuff like that. But this meat will not be shredded or anything like that. I've just taken pieces off of the bone and some skin as well. So we'll see how they do. Okay, here's the urban worm bag with blue worms in them. Take this plastic off. Check the bin real quick. Make sure they're still alive. It's moist. Might have put too much wet on top last week, but there's some worms doing just fine. Okay. Just want to make sure I get all the sides here. Check the center as well. Oh yeah, there's a bunch of movement here. All trying to get out of the way of the light. Looking good. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to feed them up. It's going to be real quick today. There isn't that much to do for them at this point, except feed them up, check them every week, make sure they're growing, moisture is good. I'm going to put two experimental items in here. Let's see. This one is the turkey. There's a little bit of turkey skin in there, and this is the fat. So I'll put it on this side. One on each side. And a little bit of regular food, in case they don't like those other two things. Looks like there's watermelon and jalapeno peppers. Let's see, this is, oh, what else is here? I can't tell. It's all frozen together. Ooh. Cold, cold, cold. Oh well. Leave that alone. I have no idea what that is. Might be... Oh, some of that Pancit Bihon stuff that we know that they'll go after. They'll do fine with. I'm going to put a little bit of existing bedding on. And some, whoops, some moist bedding. Just put the rest on. It's okay. They're growing. They'll grow into it. It looks good. I don't see any overgrowth of any type of bugs or gnats or mites. Okay, so that's it for them this week. And thank you for coming on this journey with me.